not live.
No blues.
Can you get away from me, please?
No blues ever came. What
Keep telling me to get away.
Problem? That's some weird ass shit you just did, and you're fucking wrong about everything you said. It's all fucking incorrect.
Get away from me. Stop following me. Yeah. I won't follow you. I'll be sorry. Pretty quiet out. Other than the crazy people. I got some clear sky too. Might have some northern lights. But here I am, solo overnight camping. Urban, stealth cowboy style, eh? I don't know. Oh, what do we got here? Can we even see this? No, I can't. What the hell do I do with my glasses? Boy, are we prepared or what? Hey, can we see that? I don't know. Might be a little glary, but yeah, Rolling Rock, extra pale. Established 1939, Latrobe Brewing. Nah, I don't like this. Rolling Rock. Extra pale. To honor the blah blah blah. Blah blah blah. To honor the tradition of this great brand, we quote from the original Pledge of Quality. From the glass-lined tanks of old Latrobe, we tender this premium beer for your enjoyment as a tribute to your good taste. It comes from the mountain springs to you. Oh, we got number 33. Magic number. Interesting. I feel like I'm gonna have indigestion already, man. But yeah, hopefully we'll get some Northern Lights. We were culturally enriched by Young Love on the way here. Isn't love grand? Now we have the installed candidate talking about price fixing. Where the heck has that ever worked? I mean, you need to wake up. They're going to turn us into 1990 Soviet Russia. You're going to be standing in bread lines being told how much bread you're allowed to buy because nobody wants to sell bread anymore. Oh, I didn't get a picture of it on the way out, but I passed a guy walking his dog at midnight, wearing a mask. At night, walking down the sidewalk. The only one even near you is going down the middle of the road on a bicycle when you got a mask on. You're like the only two people on the street in the whole neighborhood.
209 City. Where's your access Walmart goods?
You're wearing a mask.
Perfect. At the Walmart
I eyeballed the shit out
for
of
a
it.
traffic hazard.
Might be criminal.
Branches on the roadway.
Why would you be covering your face walking down the street in the middle of the night? Unless you're a criminal.
Yeah, 10-4. The picture are mostly broken up. I'll move a couple.
Or some paranoid, weak-minded weirdo. Either way. telling you. Jesus Christ. It's an addiction. Rolling Rock. Not the beer.